Imagine being chosen by God before you were even born. Imagine carrying supernatural strength that could defeat armies, yet being too weak to walk away from the wrong relationship. That was Samson. The Bible says in the book of Judges that Samson was set apart by God from birth. God gave him incredible strength. He could tear apart a lion with his bare hands. He defeated enemies that terrified entire nations. People looked at Samson and saw power, but what they didn't see was the weakness hidden in his heart. Then came Delilah, a woman Samson loved deeply. A woman who kept asking him one dangerous question: where does your strength come from? At first, Samson played with the truth, but Delilah kept pressuring him again and again and again, until eventually he revealed the secret God told him to protect. And that night changed everything. While Samson slept, Delilah betrayed him. His hair was cut. His strength disappeared. And the enemies he once defeated captured him, blinded him, and humiliated him. The man who once shook cities ended up chained in darkness because he ignored the warning signs. And honestly, many people today are living the same story. Not everyone losing their strength is losing muscles. Some are losing peace, losing purpose, losing their relationship with God, losing their joy. Because they keep allowing the wrong voices, wrong habits, and wrong relationships too close to their destiny. Samson's downfall didn't happen in one night. It happened through compromise. Every time he ignored conviction, every time he entertained danger, every time he thought, I can handle this, he moved further away from God's protection. And that's the scary part about compromise. It never looks dangerous at first. Sometimes the enemy doesn't destroy you with pain. Sometimes he distracts you with pleasure. But here's the powerful part of Samson's story. God was not finished with him. Even after failure, even after betrayal, even after losing everything, God still heard Samson when he cried out one last time. And in his final moment, Samson found strength again. That means your mistakes are not the end of your story. Your betrayal is not the end of your story. Your failure is not the end of your story. God can still restore what was broken. The lesson from Samson and Delilah is clear. Protect what God placed inside you. Not everyone who asks for access deserves it. Stop ignoring red flags. Stop trading your purpose for temporary emotions. And never let your desires become stronger than your discipline. Because one wrong connection can drain the strength God gave you, but one sincere prayer can bring you back to Him. If this message touched your heart, don't scroll away. Take a moment and ask yourself, what in my life is slowly pulling me away from God? And if you're ready to reconnect with your purpose, type, Lord, strengthen me again in the comments. Subscribe for more powerful Bible stories that strengthen faith, family, and purpose. Because God still speaks through His word today.